Hello, this is Anisul Islam from Bangladesh. I would like to welcome all of you in this video. Basically, there are two main reasons for choosing this information technology course. Starting with the first one, my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering is very much linked to this master program. So I believe this master program will allow me to develop my knowledge on computer science. And the second reason is more than 1 million students are following me on YouTube because of my 1300 computer science videos. So I strongly believe my further knowledge in this field will allow me to upload more videos in order to help more students all over the world. During my bachelor, I have mastered many programming languages such as C, C++, Python, etc. I have also studied data structure, theory of computation, algorithm, compiler, computer networking, and many other subjects related to this field. And I have also achieved 6.5 in my IELTS. So considering everything, I believe my previous studies satisfied your requirements for the admission. And the last point I would like to mention here, after 2 years graduation, I would like to see myself as a successful software developer working in a big company. And also I would like to see myself as a well-known computer science lecturer on internet. That's all from me. Thank you.